You're hurting me. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're rubbing your arms and you're trying to get out of these handcuffs.
On August 14th, 2025, Orlando police responded to battery and felony property damage at Orlando International Airport.
One particular manager broke 2 monitors, got denied boarding for her behavior.
Is she intoxicated?
No, she was on a flight that it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset, and then it went from there.
194, we're 1012 with the subject.
Hi.
What?
What happened?
What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air.
Go ahead. Just keep talking.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was hitting the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was.
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about it.
It's just it's my mom. It's my mom.
Okay, so get over
Mira,
it.
madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
So this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem.
So
It's not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You keep me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to NCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors.
Hey, how's it going?
Hold on.
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go.
Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Ooh, that's assault.
3 weeks. 3 weeks for my money, right? 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 3 weeks. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights, 3 planes. After 45 minutes.
Is it a joke?
Call the police.
You want to press charges?
Well, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you
You know how to work Axon?
Yes. I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, you're going to write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a...
Right over here. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this going to cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500.
Right.
So I would say $1,000. People too, so that's probably $200.
Cool. Yeah. Hooker.
Ay, van presa por nada, mami.
Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. We'll settle that out. What
Stop
happened?
moving.
You want?
I want to press charge too.
I don't
Okay,
know
okay,
who's
we'll get
put-
you a right of statement.
Stop
Okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still.
She's too. She's
Why am I am
Stop! Don't do that.
Because you broke that
Don't do that. Don't
yeah,
do that.
and they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime then?
Okay.
No, that is not a crime,
so
right?
small there it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives?
Yeah,
That
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my
All right,
I have
come
my
on.
medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When
no.
they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on. Don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you
there.
are proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if you-
squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You are hurting me, man. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming
Oh.
your arms and you're trying to
Oh.
get out of these handcuffs.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
You know, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, mano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that you
Stop.
that
Moving
you're gonna
around.
take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm being resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get her. Rush on, bring her.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closer. The stepping in. Open it.
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are.
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. One second. One second. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's Armani's got everything.
Salome. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
What airport?
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out.
Under Florida Statute 784.03, battery is intentionally striking another against their will. The airline manager was struck with a phone and kicked. Florida Statute 806.13 classifies property damage over $1,007 as third-degree felony. 2 destroyed monitors met this threshold. The subject admitted hitting monitors with her phone. No Miranda warning required as she wasn't in custody during initial questioning. Emotional distress doesn't negate criminal liability unless it rises to legal insanity. The subject clearly understood her actions. Officers had probable cause based on witness statements, physical evidence, and the subject's admissions. The arrest was justified. Under Graham v. Connor, use of force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not with hindsight. The subject stated, "I will not stop moving," constituting direct non-compliance. Officers escalated appropriately from verbal to physical control. Florida Statute 843.02 defines resisting without violence. Her pulling away and refusal to comply satisfied this statute, adding an avoidable charge. Terry v. Ohio authorizes weapons searches during arrests. The pat-down was legally proper for officer safety. Under Florida Statute 810.09, property owners may issue trespass warnings. The 1-year airport ban is separate from criminal charges. Personal crises occur daily. The law cannot make exceptions based on individual circumstances without becoming arbitrary and unequal. Mitigating circumstances are addressed during sentencing, not when determining guilt. This is the appropriate legal framework.
But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Orlando police officers receive B+. They responded professionally, used appropriate force, and maintained composure despite verbal abuse. The subject receives F. She committed battery, felony property damage, and resisting arrest. Her emotional crisis doesn't excuse criminal conduct. Southwest Airlines receives B for appropriate law enforcement notification and proper exercise of trespass authority. Key lessons. Emotional distress is not a legal defense. It's only considered during sentencing after conviction. Once probable cause exists, compliance is legally required. Resistance adds charges and escalates force against you. Property damage over $1,000 elevates charges to felony in Florida. Know the financial and legal consequences. Voluntary admissions can be used against you without Miranda warnings if you're not in custody when making them. Airport authorities have broad trespass discretion. These civil restrictions are enforceable regardless of criminal outcomes. Officers may use reasonable force to overcome resistance. Verbal commands, physical control, and handcuffs are progressive responses. This case shows genuine tragedy intersecting with criminal law. Empathy doesn't eliminate accountability for harmful actions. Alternative responses existed: refunds, complaints, consumer protection, or civil remedies. None justify criminal conduct. Understanding your rights means understanding your obligations. You can be upset, but cannot strike others or destroy property. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like and subscribe.